command prompts. First thing is how to see all the drives. For this we use a command wmic logicl logical disk get name. In my computer there is C drives, D drives, E drives, A drives and so on. Okay, now using this we can navigate into our system in each drives. Okay, for navigation we use CD. CD is how we change the directory. And first of all we change the directory, that is using D. You came in D, earlier you was in C and now in D. If you want to change it, you can come in E in this way. Okay, if you want to see every direct folder and files, for this purpose we use dir. In E there is, these are folders: driver, games, ms file for php, music, pdf. Okay, we now use the folder music. Okay, for this purpose we use cd, change directory. It's mean we will change its directory which is lying in E drives, cd music. Now we are in drives E and its folder music. Okay, dir. If you want to see what existed in the music folder, for this purpose you can use dir. There is so many folders where one thing is new songs, ringtone, song collections, English songs. Okay, we go to the English song. CD, for this purpose we use CD English, songs. Be careful about whatever the name of the folder, the same thing should be written here. CD English songs and enter. We came in now English songs. Okay, now there is so many songs there: Smooth Criminal, DJ, Tired of Being, Liberian Girl, Justin Bieber, yeah, etc. There is so many songs, but you cannot run it because there is so long name of this file, that is Liberian Girl Michael Jackson .mp3. How you can run it? Is it possible to write such a long name? No, this is not possible. So you should write some other commands to view its shortcut name. For this purpose you can use dir x. This command made available to you the file name and along with its shortcut names in this way. Okay, this is the shortcut name of this song. Madonna .1.mp3 is the shortcut name of Madonna space crazy for you.mp3. Okay, now it is easy to use this name. Okay, Madonna underscore. If you want to run this, we use a command start MADON tilde 1.mp3. okay, and the spelling must be true. The spelling must be right, must be matched. Only then you can run it. Now this is running. This music is running. Okay. Okay, now come on our command prompts. If you want to close this task, VLC media player is running. If you want to close this task, for this purpose we use command task kill along with /im and its application name. VLC application name is full name is vlc.exe. This is closed. Success is to send termination signal to process vlc.exe with PID 4260. PID 4260 is the number of that application. Now there is other method to run the file or folder, run the file or any other software. That is, if there is any space, for example the power.mp3, this is a small name, we can use it direct. Okay, the tower space power.mp3, you cannot run it using this command start, because there is a space. Okay, run it using a start, it will not run. START start. Okay, PH is the POWER power dot mp3. Okay, window cannot find the, make sure you type the correctly. It doesn't run because of a space in this name. For this purpose we use another command, that is of double quotes, and name it the POWER power dot mp3 and close the double quotes and enter. It will run. And the same command to close this file, to close this application. task in im vlc.exe. You have to only do that if you want to kill any task, then you have to use the accurate name of the application, and you can know it from the task list. If you want to see, that is its command is task list. It will show the all tasks which is running right now, running in your system. This very task is running in your system. Okay, so msmd srv.exe, SQL server.exe, SQL server.exe, mysqld.exe, and so on. Now we will learn how to create the folder. To create the folder we can use two commands, that is md and mkdir. We use first mkdir, where we are English songs. One thing more, if you want to come out this folder and this folder, you can use it cd. You came outside the English songs. If you want to come outside from all the folders for a particular drive, then you can use this cd /dot. It means cd /dot. Using this command you can come out from all the folder at one time. to see these things, first of all come English as sounds. You can in English sounds cd dot /dot. Okay, at one time on one command you can come outside from all the folders, isn't it? Okay, now create the folder in E drive. First of all we open the E drive, and run this command mkdir. Okay, mkdir ram. From this command a folder will be created named having name ram. Ram named folder is created. Create another folder using md rhot. Another folder is created rhot. Okay, now we will learn about how to delete the folder and how to delete the file. Using this purpose we have two distinct commands. To delete the folder we have rmdir. Rm means remove and dir means directory. Okay, for deleting the file we have a command del. Using this command we can delete file. First of all we want to delete ram, rmdir ram is deleted. Okay, if you want to delete any file, first of all come in the video tutorials. Okay, and then delete one file, cd vd video tutorials. They all things is folder. Now coming cd d and ping banking. Okay, one thing you should note, banking here b is in capital letter and here b is small letter. Command prompt doesn't matter it. This is not what it said. I want to say that it doesn't matter whichever caps you are using for command. If there is file name in capital letter, you can work on it using caps lock on method or caps lock off method. Okay, so in banking and dir there is also long file name, so we use shortcut name for this folder. I am going to how to type in Hindi. Since this is a file having extension name .mp4, we use delete command. Okay, for this purpose we use del and its shortcut name how tot .mp4, and it will now split it. How to now see that file is not existed here. What was its name? How to Is there is this shortcut name? No. It's mean that file is deleted from my that folder. Now you are seeing that there is a long data in this command prompt. So if you want to clear the screen, we use a command cls. Okay, file creation. If you want to create a text file using Notepad, now you can note here Notepad, and the file name must be written here. Must be written. That is, if you want to create my note my note.txt, its extension name must be specified, and now it will created. It is asking, do you want to create a new file? Yes. Okay, so, you can write anything or independently. So close it. It's closed, and now see whether it is there or not. What was its name? My note. Is it there? Okay. If you want to format, okay, one thing more. Rename and how to rename any file. dir study, study, or WebLearn, cd WebLearn. Okay, dir. There is so many files. If you want to create marq.html, want to rename it, then use rename marqe.html. 2. This is the existing file name, and whatever you want to you want to change, right here. From which name you want to change it, right here. mark.html. See there whether it is changed or not. There are mark. Is it there? Okay. Now it's mean our file name is changed. Now copy and paste. How we use regular. We are in regular use for copy the file or for file from one place to another. Okay, then this is also possible from our command prompt, and we will use it using some command, that is xcopy and copy command. These both command is same. Using xcopy you can transfer one file from one place to another place, but in this case file exists at the source place and at the destination place too. It's mean if you want to copy index.html to other location, then using copy command, index.html will be exist at this place and also at that place where you paste it. For this purpose we use copy index.html. Use e. And use a file, music. One file copied. See there in the music folder whether it is went there or not. Index.html This is HTML file. It's mean our command works. Use Xcopy. Use Xcopy whether it works or not. Xcopy doesn't mean that your file will be removed from the source place. It doesn't mean. Xcopy and the copy command is both are same. For this purpose, if you want to move from one place to another place, we use from one place to another place. We use move command. We will learn later. Override. It is asking because at this location same file is existing already. Override E music index.html yes no all. Put yes one file copy. See there whether it's mean this command also works. Okay. Now we will use move command. MOVE move and which file the same file we will first of all we should see whether index.html exists here or not. There index.html at the same place. Okay. Now we will use move move index.html. Okay. And this time we will change the place. And we use study study this folder move. Okay. Enter. Index.html is also there. Cancel it. No. Sorry. Here. Okay. It is moved. We cannot recognize it because we didn't see that file and we didn't see the file index.html in this folder, so we cannot recognize whether the file is moved or not. Okay. We use the another location RHOT. Okay. RHOT one file moved. Okay. Let's see whether it is moved or not. It moved. Override. See here, this command run because index.html was existing in this folder, and here override when asked from us it should be moved or not, we opt for no, and so 0 file was moved, and that's why index.html was at the same place from where I want to move, and then when I use this command at second time, so it works and it moved to the RHOT folder. See whether this file is existing in this folder or not. Index.html is not at this folder. Okay. With this, now I am ending this video. So if you are like this my videos, then you should subscribe to our videos, because it is going to provide you so many videos which is unique among